top 3 newest indicators on TradingView.com, and the great news is all of them are free to use. Now we will add our first indicator. We will go to Indicators tab and we will search for volume sentiment breakout channels from Algo Alpha. Click that to your chart. This indicator gonna give you buy signal, sell signal plus the sentiment, and you can see that it's also creating a volume profile on the right side of your chart. So it's basically if you want to scalp and if you want to go long or short with the signals, you can definitely check this indicator out. Let's see a couple of examples here. So you can see that it gives a buy signal here. You can see that it gives the sell signal here. It also giving you the sentiment. The overall sentiment is bearish, and it's also plotting sentiment percentage here. And now I will guide you through the settings. If you go to settings, you can see that the normalization length, the box detection length, and the strong closes only. That's all the settings you can play around. So normalization length default comes with the 100, but you can go for the 50 and you will see all the signals gonna change. Why you make it 50, Borsa? Because if you go to developer about this script section, you can see that it tells you to enable strong closes only if you prefer the cleaner breakouts. Use shorter normalization length 50 to 80 for the fast markets, longer 100 to 200 for smoother transitions. So you can check this whole thing to understand better of this indicator. Personally, I like how they develop it, and you can combine, plug it to your chart and see if it's a good fit for you. Now let's hide this sentiment breakout indicator and let's go to indicator tabs for our search for EMA, and you will see EMA plus super from the all-in trades. Click that to your chart. What it tells us is that you can see that it's giving you sell signal, it's giving you buy signal, it's giving you sell, it's giving you buy, sell, and buy. You can see all these signals actually work, right? So this buy, this sell. So sometimes it gives you these massive moves like this. Sometimes it gives you a short moves like this. Maybe it's even a breakout, but you can see the sell, you can see the buy. So my point is this new indicator has really significant win rate. You can either plug to your current chart or you can just use it by itself. So let's go to settings for this indicator, and you can see that it uses obviously the EMAs. The EMA 9, EMA 21, you can change if you want. The source is closed, the ATR length is 10. So I like the indicators when they use the ATR, because when they use the ATR, it can adapt with the current market condition. It's very important. And the factor is 4. You can see this is the default settings, by the way, but do not afraid to go and play around. Let's quickly check the about this script section from the developer. You can see that it explains how to use, intended use. It's basically very self-explanatory indicator, but to be honest, it really works well. My time frame, by the way, is 5 minutes. So this data is from the live market, not cherry picking, not promoting anything. Just want to help you guys. I'm just filtering out the new best indicators on TradingView that worth to try. Okay. So the final indicator is something that should be paid, in my opinion. Let's go to indicators tab for the last time, and this indicator called Luxy Big Beautiful Dynamic ORB. ORB is very popular those days, so we will see if these indicators good or not. So you can see that it gave you the sell breakout here, it gave you the buy breakout here, and the price moved up, price literally crashed here. And currently we are now trading between the ORB 60 here, and it plots this fair value gaps, and you have this beautiful dashboard here, and let's see what it's telling us. So this dashboard is giving us the trend, giving us the signals, the volatility, the ORB 5, ORB 15, ORB 30, ORB 60. So ORB means that opening range breakout. If you have no idea, I have a specific video about it. Go and watch that. So let's continue. I want to show you this indicator settings because it has a lot. So you can see that the ORB colors you can change obviously. enable ORB5, ORB15, ORB30, 60, right? So whichever you want, and you can enable the session mode. Also, it can detect automatically. If you choose the New York, it will only giving you the signal on the New York session. But if you enable the auto detect, it will detect automatically and will be giving you the signal. You can enable include extended hours. They really did a great job here. Breakout direction, you can play around with the settings. The FVG filter, enable FVG filter, show FVG boxes. So if you enable the FVG filter, it will add one more layer before it give you the confirmation of the breakout. So the pullback filter is also can be used, trend filter, the target and risk. Oh yeah, that's a very nice feature because it will give you the take profit and the stop loss levels, which I'm gonna show you in a moment. So basically these are the settings. There are a lot of settings, you can just go and check it. But in my opinion, most of the developers sells this kind of tools because it's really advanced and it really works great. So let's go to about this script, and I want to show you a couple of things. You can see that when you got the entry signal like this, right, you got the take profit 1, take profit 2 and 3. Also you got the stop loss. So if the price hit the stop loss, you are out of this position, easy like that. So you can see we got the breakout, 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 and the breakout up. So it's really nice indicator. There is nothing wrong with the testing the new indicators. Even if you don't like it, maybe it will just click something in your mind. Do not be scared or afraid to use this kind of tools. If you have some free time, go and practice it, see what it's doing it. You know, it's fun to test it. In my opinion, I love to test these indicators and I love to show you the best indicators always. So there are more examples here, the breakout, the breakout, the breakout. Some of them obviously got stopped. So for example, like this, but this work, this work, this work, this work. So this kind of work, this work. So this guy says really nice win rate, right? So what I suggest is go put it on your chart, see it yourself, because all of them is free to use, free to test it out. So why wait? Why not, right? So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.